In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Word, how to use DeepL, Google Translate. By the end, you'll know how to add a translation tool to Chrome and use it to translate text right from a Word document opened in your browser. Start by opening Google in Chrome. In the search box, type DeepL extension for Chrome. In the results, look for the official listing in the Chrome Web Store. Open that page and click Add to Chrome, then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will install it in a moment, and you'll be ready to use it. Choosing the official store listing helps ensure you get the authentic extension with automatic updates and the correct permissions. Next, open your Word document in Chrome. This process works best when your document is open in Word on the web, so you can keep everything in one browser window. With your document visible, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon, then select DeepL. When you do this, a DeepL panel will appear on the right side of your screen, docked alongside your document. That panel is where you'll paste the text for translation and view the output instantly. In your Word document, highlight the text you want to translate. Keep your selection tight to avoid grabbing extra spaces or formatting you don't need. Copy the selected text using your usual method. Then click inside the DeepL panel and paste. DeepL will translate automatically as soon as the text appears, so you'll see results right away without pressing any additional buttons. At the top of the DeepL panel, choose the target language you want. The tool typically detects your source language on its own, but you can adjust it if needed. If the translation doesn't match your intent, try switching to a related target language or reviewing any suggested alternatives that appear. When you're satisfied, select the translated text in the panel, copy it, and paste it back into your Word document exactly where you want it. A quick note on privacy. If your document contains sensitive information, consider whether pasting that content into any online translator meets your organization's policies. For many everyday tasks and public content, this workflow is quick and effective. If you prefer Google Translate instead of DeepL, the approach is very similar. Search for its official Chrome extension in the Chrome Web Store, add it to Chrome, and then follow the same copy and paste workflow inside your Word document in the browser. That's it. You've added the extension, opened your document, copied the text, translated it in the side panel, and pasted the result back into Word. Thanks for watching, and happy translating.